Hello everyone, today we will do one practice paper of class 8th in which extra questions are taken. So first of all I am doing question number 1. Question first is, if two quantities are there P and Q. If P and Q vary directly with each other, means this question is of direct variation. They vary directly with each other, comma, then find the value of Q, then find the value of Q when P is equal to 7 and constant of variation is 1/6. You know very well that in case of direct variation, ऐसे लिखेंगे for direct variation, how three quantities were related to each other, x, y and k. X upon y is equal to k. K is a constant of variation. This is general result. Here, in place of x there is P and in place of y there is Q. So P upon Q is equal to K. This is the general result which I have written above. Now P is, find the value of Q when P is 7. So I have written here P as P value is what? 7. So I have written this way since P is equal to 7. So therefore 7 upon Q is unknown, so Q is written as it is. And the value of constant of variation means K is 1/6. Now you can cross multiply it. Q into 1 is Q and 7 into 6. So the value of Q is 42. Right? Now we will do the second question. This question is, find the original price of a washing machine. Find the original price of a washing machine which was bought or purchased for rupees 13,500 inclusive of 8% GST. Means GST was included, right? Goods services tax. So you can do this question this way. Let cost of washing machine, before GST was added. हम क्या करेंगे, वॉशिंग मशीन की कॉस्ट एज्यूम करेंगे बिफोर GST was added, GST से पहले की, राइट? सो वी कैन एज्यूम इट एज रुपीज X. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, original cost price of this washing machine before GST, I have written that CP means cost price plus GST, and it is equal to what? He has given rupees 13,500, right? So CP is how much before GST was added? X, and GST is how much? 8% of what? 8% of CP means X, and this is 13,500. Now let's solve it. X plus 8% means 8/100, of means multiply, X is equal to 13,500. Now with table of 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So it will become x plus 2 into x, 2x upon 25 is equal to 13,500. Now LCM is what? 25. So 25 multiplies x, it is 25x plus 25 divides 25, 1 into 2x is 2x is equal to 13,500. Now let's solve further. 25 plus 2, 27x divided by 25, and it is equal to 13,500. So 27x will be what? This and this will be multiplied. 13,500 multiplied by 25. Now x is equal to 13,500 multiplied 25 upon 27. I can cut 27 and this with the table of 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9. 4 9 5s are 45. 0 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15 and 0 0. So x will be equal to 25 into 5 is 125 along with 2 more zeros. So this is 12,500. So what has he asked in the question? Therefore, original cost of washing machine before GST was added, it is equal to rupees 12,500. I hope this question is also clear to all of you. Now the next question we will do, question number 3rd, and this question is related to polynomials. So question number 3 is, I am taking mixed questions so that all the concepts can be practiced. Show that x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 8. Now students, you know well that when I say that 3 is a factor of 7, we say of 27, we divide 27 with 3 and it is exactly divisible with the remainder 0. So in this case we say that 3 is a factor of 27. Similar is this case. Here we divide this by this. This question can be done by factor method also and by long division also. I am doing first it by long division, x cube plus 8, and it is to be divided by x plus 2. Simple. X cube divided by x. I am showing the full solution here. X cube divided by x. It becomes x 3 power and 1 power minus it is 2. X square. So I have written in quotient x square. Now x square will multiply x, it will become x cube. Then x square will multiply plus 2, it will become plus 2x square. I can never write below this plus 2x square, I will write it aside, plus 2x square. Because below like terms only like terms can be written. This is of plus sign, I will change into minus. This is of plus, I will change it into minus. X cube is of plus, x cube is of minus, they can be cut. Now minus 2x square will come first and then is plus 8. Now what we will do? Minus 2x square, first term this will be divided by x. Now you can say minus 2 and x power 2 minus 1 is x only. So this minus 2x will come in quotient. Minus 2x will multiply x. It will be minus 2x square. minus 2x will multiply 2, it will be minus 4x, it will again be written aside, it cannot be written below 8. ये बन गया plus, this is also plus. This is my rough work, right? Now, minus 2x square and plus 2x square, they can be cancelled out. Plus 4x and this is plus 8. Now, again in rough work I am doing, 4x will be divided by the first term x. It will be 4. Now this plus 4 will be written in quotient. Plus 4 into plus x, it is 4x. 4 into 2 is plus 8. So this becomes minus, and it can be cut. And it is 0. Now you can observe that you have got a remainder as 0. So what will you do? You will write since a remainder is equal to 0, therefore x plus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 8. This question now with long division it is very fine. There are questions of factor method also. Unless it is asked to do by factor method, you should avoid doing, prefer long division. Now question number 4. Simplify question of exponents and radicals. Simplify. 25 multiplied by t power minus 4 upon 5 power minus 3 multiplied 10 and multiplied t power minus 8. So let's start solution. I have written the same question again. 25 multiplied t power minus 4 divided by 5 power minus 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by t power minus 8. Now let's start solving. 25. Two factors of 25 are 5 into 5. Means 5 is 2 times. So I can write 5 square upon 5 power minus 3 will remain as it is, and 10 can be written as 5 into 2. These are the two prime factors of 10, and t I am writing here aside, minus 4, and this t power minus 8 is in denominator, it will go in numerator and will become a plus sign. Now what will I do? I will take all the powers of 5 in numerator. This is power 2. I have written minus 3 power which was in denominator. It will be taken to numerator. It will become plus 3. And here 5 power 1 is there. When it goes into the numerator, it becomes minus 5. And let 2 be there in the denominator. Because it is alone. And t power minus 4 plus 8 is 4. Now 5 power 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 2 and t power 4. 5 power 4 means 5 is to be multiplied by 4 times. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 divided by 2 and t power 4. No need to convert this into mixed number or in points. Let it be as it is. This is also very good question of exponents and radicals. Now another question I am taking of exponents and radicals, that is also in extra questions and generally comes in many board exams, whether NCERT or DAV or any other board. 5 power x plus 5 power x minus 1 is equal to 150. And then he has asked to find, ऐसे लिख लो, if this is equal to this, comma, find 2x raised to power 1 upon x. Good question it is. Solution. 5 power x plus 5 power x minus 1 and it is equal to what? 150. You know the rule, x power m plus n, it is equal to x की power m plus x की power n. So we will apply that rule now. 5 power x will be written 5 power x plus, how this can be split? 5 power x into 5 power minus 1. Here the rule is applied, is equal to 150. Now this is one term and this is another term. What are you observing? What is common here? 5 power x will come common. From here 5 power x has come common, here will be left 1. Then plus, this is common, so what is left? 5 power minus 1 is equal to 150. So 5 power x will be equal to, not equal to 5 power x into 1 plus, as x power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon x, right? Similarly, 5 power minus 1 will be written as 1 upon 5 and it is equal to 150. Now, 5 power x multiplied by 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. It is 6 over 5 and it is equal to 150. Now further we will solve. 5 power x is equal to 150 divided by 6 over 5. So let's solve this further. 5 power x is equal to 150 divide becomes multiply 5 upon 6. It is reciprocated. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 3 6 5s are. तो ये बन गया 5 पावर x इज इक्वल टू, क्या 25 को 5 पावर 2 लिख सकते हैं? एंड दिस इज 5. तो ये बन गया 5 पावर x इज इक्वल टू 5 पावर, पावर्स आर एडेड 2 प्लस 1. तो 5 पावर x इज इक्वल टू 5 पावर 3. अब क्या करो, आप बेसिस को कंपेयर कर दो. तो 5 5 सेम है, तो एक्सपोनेंट क्या आएगा? x इज इक्वल टू 3. अब सिर्फ x तो नहीं फाइंड आउट करना था. व्हाट वी वर टू फाइंड आउट? वी वर टू फाइंड आउट 2x होल पावर 1 बाई x. सो लेट्स फाइंड 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x इज 3 और पूरे की पावर क्या बनेगी? 1/3. 2 into 3 is 8. So I can write 8 power 1/3. अब आप यहां देखो, डिनोमिनेटर में 3 है, तो किसी नंबर को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 8 आएगा. वो कौन सा नंबर होगा? 2. So 2 power 3 एंड होल पावर इज 1/3. तो इसको और करो, 2 पावर्स आर मल्टीप्लाइड, ये कट गया, तो आंसर क्या आ गया? 2 is the answer of this question. So this question is also very important question which I have done.